Hello guys, it is Jackal here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Xbox One to a VPN. All of the commands for this tutorial will be in the description, so you can copy and paste them as you follow along. First thing you want to do is paste this command. Make sure you are in administrator command prompt as well. In this first section here, you'll see hosted network supported. If that says yes, you will be able to do this tutorial. If it says no, you either won't be able to, or you need to buy a different Wi-Fi adapter. I'll have a link to one that works in the description. Next command that you'll copy and paste from the description is this. You need to set a password that's longer than 8 characters. So I'll just do testing123 for that. And here you would set your network name, and I'll just set it to Xbox VPN. Press enter. So once you enter that, you'll see all of this stuff, and that basically means it worked. So now all you want to do is netsh wlan start hosted network. The hosted network started. If you get an error on that, look up a video on it. I can't be bothered to help people out with their individual scenarios, but I'm sure you can find a solution, because there's plenty of them out there. If you right click on your little Wi-Fi thing, open network and internet settings, change adapter options, you will see that you now have this Xbox VPN, or whatever you named it, adapter here, and that will show up to other devices nearby, and on your Xbox as well. So the next thing you want to do is make sure that you have OpenVPN installed and everything. I will have a link to how to set up OpenVPN in the description, and you also need to have a VPN subscription. So here I'm just going to connect to a random server. Okay, I have now connected to a random server, and now all I'm going to do is right click on my VPN network adapter, go to properties, sharing, allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection, and make sure you have Xbox VPN as the home network connection, and also make sure you have this checked. Once you have that all set up, you connect to this Xbox VPN network through your Xbox, and bam, you will now have a VPN with your Xbox. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will probably be coming out very soon with a video on how to pull IPs while your Xbox is connected to the VPN, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.